This machine with FANUC 16 series CNC, we're going to see how to save the operation history. We're going to prepare the USB device. It's going to be the file numbers or file name cnc5.txt. We're going to start here. And we have to go to System, be in edit mode here, and scroll to the right until we find the operation history. And here in operation history, we have 30, we have 40, 50, 60. I don't know how many pages we have. Let's check backward to see if we can page up from the zero. So we have a lot of information here that can be used for, okay. The pages that we have are 999, 1,000 pages. So here we have operation. Let's scroll to the right. We have punch and execute. Now sending the file or the data to the USB. Okay, let's finish. And that's it.